Magic Quiz presents a new personality test. What animal are you? There are 12 questions, pick one answer, and count your stars to see a result. Make sure you click the bell to be notified about new quizzes. Let's start. Question 1. Pick a dream place. Question 2. Your personality color is. Question 3. What characterizes you? Modesty, care for others, ambition, perseverance, sensitivity, dreaming. Question 4. You get angry when you are lied to, you are being judged, someone gossips you. Question 5. You like to shop online, write your dreams on paper, take your mother's jewels, save money, go for a walk, watch love movies. Question 6. You need attention, patience, acceptance. Question 7. Your family supports you, has too high expectations from you, criticizes you. Question 8. Your eye color is. Question 9. Pick a quote. Question 10. Who would you like to see? Question 11. Pick which gift you would prefer. Question 12. What's your zodiac sign? Please like, comment, subscribe, and share my quiz to support my channel. Thanks! Ready for the results? Let's see what you got. From 12 to 16 stars. You are an all. Your reserved nature gives you a personal space where you can give free rein to your imagination and create something beautiful. From 17 to 21 stars. You are a tiger. Your power lies in your mind and what you can do with it. Nothing is too difficult or impossible if you put your mind to action. From 22 to 26 stars. You are a wolf. Your popularity shines and you talk to people with ease. Try to choose your friends and be careful with whom you tell your secrets. From 27 to 31 stars. You are a lion. Confidence in yourself depends only on what you say to yourself daily. Be the love you need and believe in yourself with all your heart. From 32 to 36 stars. You are a unicorn. Magic accompanies you everywhere and the circumstances are favorable for you to make your most beautiful dreams come true. Magic Quiz thanks you for watching. Which quiz do you want to do next?